Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the data saver feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone, so a little gear icon, and select the network and internet tile. Now you want to go down to data saver. And right now it's turned on just so you see it on my screen. So if you want to turn it off, just toggle inside this oval one time. So just click inside here one time and turn it off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.